Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix an unresponsive PS5 controller. First, let's cover some basic checks. Ensure your controller's battery is fully charged. A low battery is a common culprit. Next, verify that your USB-C cable is securely connected to both the controller and your PlayStation 5 console. Sometimes, simply trying a different known good USB-C cable can resolve connection issues. Finally, perform a full restart of your PlayStation 5 to refresh its system. If basic checks don't work, a physical reset of your DualSense controller is the next step. On the back of the controller, near the Sony logo, you'll find a tiny hole. Use a straightened paperclip or a similar small, pointed object to press and hold the button inside for about 5 seconds. After releasing, reconnect the controller to your PlayStation 5 with a USB-C cable and press the PlayStation button to repair it. Outdated software can often cause connectivity problems. It's crucial to ensure both your PlayStation 5 console and your DualSense controller have the latest firmware. Navigate to your console's settings to check for system software updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Your controller's firmware is usually updated automatically with the system, but you can verify this in the accessories settings. Always restart your console afterward. If the problem persists, try connecting your controller to a different PlayStation 5 console, if available, or even a compatible PC to determine if the issue is with the controller itself or your console. If the controller remains unresponsive across multiple devices, it might indicate a hardware fault. At this point, contacting PlayStation support is advisable for further troubleshooting or to explore options for repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.